Today we're going to show you how to replace the oil damper on an Elektrogas VML or VMM slow open solenoid valve. This is super easy and you don't need to remove the valve from the gas train. Start by shutting off the gas upstream and removing power to the valve. You can do this by unscrewing the DIN plug. To remove the damper, screw off the plastic cap on top, then use an adjustable wrench on the top of the damper to loosen it. Remove the O-ring on the bottom and insert it into the new damper. Then install the new damper by sliding the stem into the valve body. Screw it in using your wrench. Check that the DIN plug gasket is still present. Reconnect the DIN plug, and you're good to go. To order spare parts for Elektrogas valves or for additional help with Elektrogas products, visit our website at combustion911.com, email us at support_ab@combustion911.com, or give us a call at 330-678-4328.